Gosh, this Rubik's Cube is hard. I need a genius.
Do not fear. Rubik's Cube Man is here. Ow!
A real hero.
Give me that Rubik's Cube.
No, it's mine.
I can fix it for you.
Don't want to. Give me my Rubik's Cube.
Here we go.
Holla.
Yahoo!
Hey, how'd you do that? I'll show you. Ta-da! Seriously, how'd you do it? With a genius.
What genius?
With this genius.
It is me.
Get off me! Holla!
Yahoo!